Welcome to Everyday English Excellence. Hi, can I get a taxi, please? Hi, can I get a taxi, please?
Sure. Where are you headed? Sure. Where are you headed?
I need to go to the airport. I need to go to the airport.
Sure. I can take you there. What terminal are you flying from? Sure. I can take you there. What terminal are you flying from?
Terminal 3, please. Terminal 3, please.
No problem. Do you have any luggage? No problem. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases. Yes, I have 2 suitcases.
Okay. I'll help you with that. Okay. I'll help you with that.
Is there an extra charge for luggage? Is there an extra charge for luggage?
No, there's no extra charge for luggage. No, there's no extra charge for luggage.
How much will the ride cost? How much will the ride cost?
It's a flat rate of $40 to the airport. It's a flat rate of $40 to the airport.
Is there any chance we could negotiate the price? Is there any chance we could negotiate the price?
I usually charge $40 for airport rides because it's a bit of a distance. I usually charge $40 for airport rides because it's a bit of a distance.
I understand. I'm on a bit of a tight budget. I understand. I'm on a bit of a tight budget.
How about we settle on $35? How about we settle on $35?
$35 sounds fair to me. Let's go with that. $35 sounds fair to me. Let's go with that.
All right. Sounds good. All right. Sounds good.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Great. Can I pay at the end? Great. Can I pay at the end?
No problem. You can pay at the end. No problem. You can pay at the end.
Do you take calls while you drive? Do you take calls while you drive?
Not really. It's not safe. Not really. It's not safe.
How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there?
It will take about 30 minutes to get there. It will take about 30 minutes to get there.
Can you take a shortcut to avoid traffic? Can you take a shortcut to avoid traffic?
Yes, I know a shortcut that will help us avoid traffic. Yes, I know a shortcut that will help us avoid traffic.
Are you familiar with this area? Are you familiar with this area?
Yes, I know this area very well. Yes, I know this area very well.
Do you have a GPS? Do you have a GPS?
Yes, I have a GPS to help us navigate. Yes, I have a GPS to help us navigate.
Thanks. Ready to go? Thanks. Ready to go?
Sure, let's go. Sure, let's go.
Can you turn up the air conditioning? Can you turn up the air conditioning?
Yes, I can adjust the air conditioning for you. Yes, I can adjust the air conditioning for you.
Do you have any music we can listen to? Do you have any music we can listen to?
Yes, I have a radio you can listen to. Yes, I have a radio you can listen to.
Could you take the scenic route? Could you take the scenic route?
Of course, sit back and enjoy the view. Of course, sit back and enjoy the view.
Can you avoid the highway? I prefer side streets. Can you avoid the highway? I prefer side streets.
No problem, I'll take a different route. No problem, I'll take a different route.
How much longer until we arrive? How much longer until we arrive?
We should be there in about 20 minutes. We should be there in about 20 minutes.
How's your day been so far? How's your day been so far?
Busy, but it's going well. How about yours? Busy, but it's going well. How about yours?
Pretty good, thanks for asking. Pretty good, thanks for asking.
Any plans for the rest of the day? Any plans for the rest of the day?
Just catching a flight. Just catching a flight.
Have you visited any interesting places here? Have you visited any interesting places here?
Yes, I went to the museum in the morning and then walked around the downtown area. Yes, I went to the museum in the morning and then walked around the downtown area.
Oh, nice choice. Did you enjoy the museum? Oh, nice choice. Did you enjoy the museum?
Yes, it was fascinating. There were so many interesting exhibits. Yes, it was fascinating. There were so many interesting exhibits.
That's great to hear. Any other places you visited? That's great to hear. Any other places you visited?
After the museum, I stopped by the local market and then went to a famous landmark. After the museum, I stopped by the local market and then went to a famous landmark.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I need to make a quick stop to pick up a friend. Is that okay? I need to make a quick stop to pick up a friend. Is that okay?
Sure. I can wait for a few minutes. Sure. I can wait for a few minutes.
Thanks, it won't take long. Thanks, it won't take long.
No problem. No problem.
Do you mind if I make a quick call on my phone? Do you mind if I make a quick call on my phone?
Sure. No problem. Sure. No problem.
Is there a place to charge my phone in your car? Is there a place to charge my phone in your car?
Sorry, no, not at this time. Sorry, no, not at this time.
You're a very smooth driver. You handled traffic really well. You're a very smooth driver. You handled traffic really well.
Thank you. So, which country are you traveling to? Thank you. So, which country are you traveling to?
I'm headed to France for a business conference. I'm headed to France for a business conference.
Oh, Paris is a beautiful city. Is that where you'll be staying? Oh, Paris is a beautiful city. Is that where you'll be staying?
Yes, my hotel is in the heart of Paris. Yes, my hotel is in the heart of Paris.
Will you have some free time to explore the city? Will you have some free time to explore the city?
I hope so. I'd love to visit the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. I hope so. I'd love to visit the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum.
That sounds wonderful. Have you been to France before? That sounds wonderful. Have you been to France before?
No, it's my first time. I'm excited to experience the culture and cuisine. No, it's my first time. I'm excited to experience the culture and cuisine.
You'll love it. French food is amazing. You'll love it. French food is amazing.
Yes. What about you? Have you been driving taxis for long? Yes. What about you? Have you been driving taxis for long?
Yes, I've been driving for about 5 years now. Yes, I've been driving for about 5 years now.
What's your favorite part about being a taxi driver? What's your favorite part about being a taxi driver?
I enjoy meeting new people and hearing their stories. How about you? I enjoy meeting new people and hearing their stories. How about you?
I like the flexibility of my job and the chance to explore different places. I like the flexibility of my job and the chance to explore different places.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Do you have any hobbies outside of driving? Do you have any hobbies outside of driving?
I enjoy photography and playing soccer. I enjoy photography and playing soccer.
Great. Can you pull over here, please? Great. Can you pull over here, please?
Sure thing. Sure thing.
I need to grab something from the store. I need to grab something from the store.
Take your time. I'll wait here. Take your time. I'll wait here.
Can you drop me off at the front entrance? Can you drop me off at the front entrance?
Yes, I can drop you off at the front entrance. Yes, I can drop you off at the front entrance.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here we are, Terminal 3. Let me help you with your bags. Here we are, Terminal 3. Let me help you with your bags.
Thank you so much for the ride and the help with my luggage. Thank you so much for the ride and the help with my luggage.
No problem. It's all part of the service. No problem. It's all part of the service.
You've been very helpful. You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. Have a great trip. It's my pleasure. Have a great trip.
Thank you, I will. Goodbye. Thank you, I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care. Goodbye. Take care.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!